Heat? What heat? It's hot?
It is hot.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you believe that?
Never would have guessed.
No. Well, just check out our temperatures from last week. We actually saw afternoon highs all last week, right between 106, 107 degrees. It wasn't until yesterday when we only topped out at 104. I do say only 104 degrees yesterday, 103 today. And this is the trend we're watching into next week. While it'll still be uncomfortably hot, dangerously hot at some points, temperatures are not going to be as warm as they were last week. Not quite to the 106, 107 range. Right now, it is still warm outside, 92 degrees, 78 early tomorrow morning. We will have some clouds early, but they clear out quickly by noon, and that means temperatures will make their way right back into the mid-90s by that hour as you head out for lunch, per se. Temperatures across the area, 91 in Llano, 92 in Burnett. It's 91 still in Bastrop, Fredericksburg, LaGrange, the coolest spots on our map in the mid and upper 80s. Clear skies in 92 at Camp Mabry, mostly clear out of the airports, and winds today, well, a bit breezy out of the airport right now, 20-mile-an-hour winds there. Generally, though, they've been around 10 miles through most of the afternoon. Now this heat again has spread across the entire state, even up to Oklahoma, where they have a excessive heat warning still in effect. That goes through Tuesday this week. The heat advisory stretches down into northeast Texas. You notice the central Texas area, though, our region, not in that heat advisory anymore. It was canceled earlier this afternoon. The heat advisory, though, up to our north is going to remain in effect through Tuesday. We're still going to see very warm temperatures, but our heat index values are only going to top out at 105 degrees. Last week, they were in the range between 105 and 110. That's why we had that heat advisory. Across the area right now, just look at these temperatures. Still 95 in Dallas. Same with San Angelo. Along the coast, a little cooler, 85 in Houston and Victoria. And you've noticed across the entire state, very quiet weather. We have that large ridge of high pressure in control, so we have clear skies from border to border for the time being. And then that ridge of high pressure is going to move just a little bit. You notice it's right over Texas today, but through this week, we're going to watch it shift a little bit further back to the west. That's what's going to allow our temperatures to be a degree or two cooler than what we saw last week through the peak heating hours of the day. If we go hour by hour through your forecast, well, things don't change a whole lot from where they are right now. Early tomorrow morning, a few clouds are possible to start out your Monday morning through the afternoon, lots of sunshine, and so we can still expect those triple-digit temperatures and heat index values up to 105 degrees. Tonight, temperatures will drop, I should say, only into the upper 70s. For tomorrow, we'll top out between 100, 104 through the afternoon across central Texas. 78 in Austin tonight. For tomorrow, 104 your afternoon high. Here's that 7-day forecast. It looks like tomorrow's very likely going to be our 23rd consecutive 100-degree day, and then it just continues from there on out, 100 or above all week long.